Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you guys how to make a super easy collard greens recipe. This recipe is perfect for Thanksgiving. It's tender, flavorful, extremely easy to make. Before I begin, if you're new to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe, like this video if you enjoy it, and let's dive in. To begin, I'm using one bundle of collard greens. Now there's so many ways to clean these. You can either clean them like this, remove the center, or you can either do them like this, or you can just chop the ends of it like this, which is the easiest way. But for me personally, I found this way better. I just cut it like this. Once you're done cutting them like this, you are going to place them right on top of each other so we can cut them into small little pieces. Now these are very sandy. They need a lot of water to make sure you clean the sand off of them. Turn them over, roll it, and what you're going to do, you're going to cut. Now it's up to you on how big you want to cut them, but I don't like going too big. I like it this way. Now we are going to dump this into this bowl of water that I have here. Now these are going to take a nice, beautiful bath until they're nice and squeaky clean. I'm using white distilled vinegar. However, you can use apple cider vinegar. Also, I have a little bit of baking soda. Just let that soak for about 10 minutes. If you feel the water at the bottom, it's full of sand. So that's why you want to rinse this until you don't feel any sand at the bottom of your bowl. All right, guys, we are at the last bath. I've been washing these for a while now, so I washed them for about 3 times. And there you have it, nice and squeaky clean. Once you have your collard greens nice and clean, as you guys can see, you are going to begin by adding your bacon to a medium-high heat skillet. I'm also going to add some smoked andouille sausage. Let that fry with the bacon fat. My bacon is nice and cooked. I am going in with 1 tablespoon of minced garlic. Also, we have 1 onion, a whole onion, chopped up. Now is the perfect time to add your turkey. I'm using smoked turkey drumstick. Next, we are adding in our broth. I'm using chicken broth for this recipe. We'll add a little bit more later. Let's add in our collard greens. Now don't worry, I know this looks like it's overflowing. Once it starts cooking, it'll be tender, it'll start to go down. We're going to add a little bit more chicken broth in. So about 6 cups. To season, I have chicken bouillon, paprika, a little bit of ground black pepper in here. And also we have the soup mix. I'll leave it below for you. It tastes so good. This one is onion. I'm going to add a little bit of apple cider vinegar, a little bit of hot sauce, well, a tablespoon. If you don't want it to be too spicy, don't add too much. I also have some pepper flakes in there as well, forgot to mention. Now I'm adding 3 tablespoons of butter, and you cannot forget about that sugar. I'm adding about a 1/4 teaspoon of sugar to balance everything out. Stir it up real quick. And we're going to cover this, allow it to boil for about 1 hour until everything is nice and tender. Perfect. All right, guys, our collard greens are finally done. And the aroma in here is to die for. I'm going to remove the bone of the drumstick. Ooh. Now I'm going to remove the little pieces and just basically shred them so I can put them back in here. It looks so good, it smells so good, and I cannot wait. Once you have that nice and shredded, you are going to pour it right in to the pot. Give that a little quick mix. And your collard greens are done. Smelling really, really good. Tasting absolutely flavorful. I'm gonna let it simmer for like 2-3 minutes and then it should be ready. Listen, this is the collard green recipe you need for Thanksgiving, okay? It's so good, so flavorful, so tender, mouth-watering, okay? Cheers. Hands down the best. I hope you guys enjoyed today's recipe. Please do not forget to leave me a comment down below. What are your favorite side dish for Thanksgiving? Subscribe if you're new here, and I will see you guys on the next video. Be on the lookout because I'll be posting very, very often. So always come back to see what I make. I'll see you guys soon. Bye, guys.